Have you ever found it challenging to make healthy choices every day? With busy schedules, unhealthy food options, and stress, it can be challenging to prioritize our health. However, making small changes to our daily routine can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. Hello and welcome back to Health Watch Daily. In this video, we will discuss some practical tips and tricks that you can use to make healthy choices every day. By making healthier choices, you can improve your energy levels, reduce stress, and prevent chronic illnesses such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. So, let's dive in and learn how to upgrade your health by making healthier choices every day. 1. Nutrition. Do you know that nutrition plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being? Consuming a balanced diet consisting of whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation, boost our immune system, and promote healthy digestion. By incorporating a variety of nutritious foods into our daily diet, we can maintain a healthy weight, improve our mood, and enhance our overall quality of life. Here are some practical tips to make healthier food choices every day. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time to avoid impulse eating. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. Choose whole grain products over refined carbohydrates. Opt for lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, and beans. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat foods. Pay attention to portion sizes to prevent overeating. 2. Physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, as well as boost our energy levels and mood. By making physical activity a part of our daily routine, we can improve our cardiovascular health, maintain a healthy weight, and improve our mental well-being. Here are some tips to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Find an activity that you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, or dancing. Schedule exercise into your daily routine, such as taking a morning walk or attending a fitness class after work. Use a pedometer or fitness tracker to monitor your daily activity levels. Take the stairs instead of the elevator and walk or bike instead of driving short distances. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel below. It helps us reach more like-minded people, and we greatly appreciate your support. Let's get back to our video. 3. Stress management. Did you know that stress can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being? Chronic stress can lead to a variety of physical and mental health problems, including high blood pressure, anxiety, and depression. By implementing stress management techniques into our daily routine, we can reduce stress levels and improve our overall health and well-being. Here are some practical tips for managing stress. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to promote relaxation. Identify and manage sources of stress, such as work or relationship issues. Take breaks throughout the day to recharge and relax. Get enough sleep to promote overall well-being. Seek support from friends, family, or a mental health professional if needed. 4. Sleep. Getting enough sleep can boost our immune system, improve our mood, and promote healthy brain function. By prioritizing our sleep and establishing healthy sleep habits, we can improve our overall well-being. Here are some tips for getting better sleep. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark. Use comfortable bedding and pillows, and avoid using electronic devices before bed. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine can keep you awake, so try to avoid consuming it in the afternoon and evening. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but it can disrupt your sleep later in the night. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve your sleep quality and help you fall asleep faster. Just make sure to finish your workout at least a few hours before bed, as exercising too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect. Relax before bed. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. So, the good news is that making healthy choices doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. In fact, by following a few simple guidelines, you can make healthy choices every day and improve your overall well-being. First and foremost, it's important to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. These are foods that are minimally processed and contain a wide range of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By choosing whole foods, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally and maintain good health. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. In addition to choosing whole foods, it's important to pay attention to portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain and other health problems if consumed in excess. A general rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains or starchy vegetables. Another important aspect of making healthy choices is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help maintain optimal bodily functions, such as digestion and metabolism, and can also help reduce feelings of hunger and prevent overeating. It's also important to limit or avoid processed and high-sugar foods. These foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and chronic diseases. Instead, opt for whole foods and natural sources of sweetness, such as fruits and honey. In addition to food choices, incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine is crucial for overall health and well-being. Exercise can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mood and cognitive function, and support healthy weight management. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. You can also incorporate strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, to build muscle and support bone health. Lastly, it's important to prioritize self-care and stress management. Chronic stress can have negative impacts on physical and mental health, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress and promote relaxation. This can include activities such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature. Making time for hobbies, socializing with loved ones, and practicing gratitude can also help improve overall well-being and reduce stress levels. By incorporating these simple guidelines into your daily routine, you can make healthy choices every day and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but rather about making small, sustainable changes that support a healthy lifestyle. So, start small and make one healthy choice at a time. Whether it's swapping out processed snacks for fresh fruit or taking a daily walk, every healthy choice counts. And before you know it, you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier you. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.